Hello everyone, my name is Ghulam Mushtaba. In the journey of life, we all come across certain challenges that attempt to derail our success. मंजिल तो मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. So viewers, here I will teach you how to defeat your enemies. It doesn't mean you will harm those physically. In order to slap your enemies is your success. यूं तो वो दिलों का हाल जानता है, मगर वो चाहता है कि उसके लिए मेहनत की जाए, उसके लिए जस्तजू की जाए, क्योंकि ये उसी की शान है, क्योंकि वो बादशाह है, वो अल्लाह है.
Yo soy una hija del Inti Sol, de la Pachamama y del Inti Sol. Yo soy hermana del pueblo Coya, del Inti hermano y de la Aymara, de la Aymara, la Aymara. Yo misma.
Once Bruce Lee said, learn to discipline your emotions, because if you don't, your enemies will use them against you. You see so many people looking around for someone or something to blame, someone or something to point to as the reason why they are where they are, as the reason they aren't where they want to be, because they are believing and thinking the enemy is outside of them. So many people blame others for where they are in life. It is always someone else's fault. The enemy is always outside. But in reality, the enemy is rarely our outside. Most often, the real enemy is in your mind. The real enemy, the one that battles you every day, the one you must conquer, is within you. You must kill doubt. You must kill fears. You must kill those negative thoughts. You must kill blame and take responsibility. You must kill weak thoughts and trust you are strong enough to handle anything. You must kill any fear of rejection and know if you value yourself, you can't be rejected. The battleground is your mind, and the enemy is your subconscious and unconscious negative thoughts. If you want to win in life, you are going to have to fight those thoughts, fight those beliefs, and kill them once and for all. You are gonna have to fight like a warrior. Face those thoughts, destroy those thoughts, and claim the quality of life you deserve. The enemy is rarely outside. In almost every case, it is an inside job. Having thoughts of lack, believing you have limitations, blaming others rather than taking responsibility, not trying for fear of failure, staying safe for fear of failure, and worst of all, not expressing your true self for fear of rejection. So I will kill doubts, I will kill fear, all fear, any fear. I will kill negativity, I will kill blame, and I will take ownership of this life I am living. I will take control of this mind that is mine, these thoughts that are mine. My thoughts are now under my command. I am in control. No one else control my mind. I do, I bet myself, the enemy is rarely every outside, it is always inside. You defeat the enemy not by fighting it, but by becoming better than it, smarter than it. You defeat it by working on you. That's how you silence the enemy within. Become greater than it through your own self work, through self discipline, through daily work. The better you get, the quieter the voice gets. The enemy within can't criticize. The one who has done the work, it can't argue with someone who has no regrets. So do the work every day. Every step forward builds belief. Every step forward builds confidence. Every step forward develops habit. Every step forward is a step ahead of the wise. You must learn the discipline your emotions, because if you don't, your enemies will use them against you. This lesson is very much important because for those they want to defeat their fear, for those they want to get success and overcome all the griefs, all the sorrows, all the difficulties, all the disappointments. They must follow the words of the Allama Iqbal. Once he said, for those young blood, those are very curious for success. उनका भी रूह जब बेदार होती है. Also, I want to conclude this my lesson to you with these words. Okay, you must apply the ABC of your success to your life. What is the ABC of the success of your life? Ask, believe, and claim it. Thank you very much.